everyone! Today I'm bringing you another Decorate With Me for Christmas. I'm decorating my kitchen as well as my dining space. I tried to keep my kitchen area pretty simple with neutral colors and some pops of red. But without further ado, let's jump into the Decorate With Me. To start with, I decided to set up a tiered tray on my counter and display my Santa mug collection. If you don't follow Liz Marie Galvin, then you definitely should. She has the cutest Santa mugs and tons of them. She's the one who actually inspired me to do this tiered tray. These mini espresso mugs are from Hobby Lobby and I think they look adorable stacked up like this. This Santa mug planter is from Home Goods. I placed this dollar spot Target tree right inside and it fit perfectly. So I found this Santa that comes apart from a restore. It has more parts than this, but I thought these would look cute as little stands. This mug here was only $5 from Target. This Miss Claus mug is my favorite and it came in a pack of 2 with a Santa mug from Home Goods. I love how it even has her little bun in the back, it's so cute. I thought it would be cute to place this Miss Claus utensil holder next to this tiered tray. Next, I took 2 glass canisters and filled them with some flour and some powdered sugar. I placed these little wood houses from the Target dollar spot inside. I also added in some Dollar Tree bottle brush trees. Next, I wanted to decorate this peg shelf in front of my window. Since it can look super busy fast, I wanted to just stick with neutral colors. Here you will be seeing me use my Ray Dunn pottery, but I'll be turning them around just so I can have a cleaner, brighter look. This cookie house jar is from Target dollar spot and I just simply turn the top around to only show the white part of the lid.
Well, I'm all for Christmas. All the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe.
This Let's Stay Cozy tea towel is from Liz Marie's online shop.
Anything that you're missing, I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only want.
Next, for my table, I laid down this runner that I also got from Liz Marie's online shop. I just turned it around to use the plain linen side. On the top, I placed a piece of old barn wood we had left over from working on our fireplace. I just had my husband drill some holes into it so I could place some candlesticks right inside. On top of the wood, I laid these stems down I got from Target.
Wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew.
I also added in these tan bottle brush trees from Hobby Lobby.
Christmas, it's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's.
Then I finished by adding in these white candlesticks. And don't worry, I definitely monitor these candles when I have them lit, since there are items right underneath them.
From the chimney, I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Oh, whatever we do, we will be all right.
To me, this is the perfect farmhouse table centerpiece. It was so inexpensive to put together, and it makes the space feel so cozy.
Night come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas.
Next, I found this beautiful banner from House & Home, which is an online decor shop that I love. I hung it right over this mirror that's beside our dining table. Then I took more of these Target dollar trees and placed one in each planter. Next, for my mug rack, I started by putting this hoop wreath that I DIY'd down here at the bottom, and then some Rae Dunn Christmas mugs above it. I have a video all about this hot cocoa bar that I can leave down in the description box below for you if you haven't seen it. I like how the cocoa bar helps to break up all the neutral colors going on in this space. So that wraps up this Decorate With Me. If you enjoyed watching, please hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already for more decorating inspo from me in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful and blessed day.